This is the one video you absolutely shouldn't miss today. Introducing the ACTI VMS client, your all-in-one command center for physical security. No matter if you're managing a commercial building, a school campus, or a busy factory floor, this system gives you full control anytime, anywhere. First, let's talk about setup. ACTI VMS client offers an intuitive configuration experience so easy you might think it's magic. With just a few clicks, you can copy settings across hundreds of channels. Need to migrate your NVR to a new server? Done in minutes. Link with Active Directory to manage thousands of users effortlessly. Whether it's school IT staff, factory admins, or building security operators, it saves time, money, and headaches. Next, let's explore the event management system. It supports motion detection, video analytics, digital input, tampering, audio events, and more. What happens when an event is triggered? You get real-time responses, pop-up alerts, PTZ movement, sound alarms, email, FTP snapshots, and even line notifications. In high-risk environments like schools and factories, this feature ensures immediate reaction with zero delay. With ACTI VMS Client, you can find the exact moment you're looking for in seconds. Use thumbnail previews, event-based filters, or bookmarks to instantly review footage. This is critical in commercial buildings where resolving disputes, security incidents, or accidents relies on fast evidence retrieval. Advanced video analytics allow you to detect faces, vehicles, license plates, line crossing, forbidden zones, and more. This is a game changer for schools and factories, providing proactive alerts for suspicious movement and ensuring perimeter security 24/7. Whether you're on a Windows PC, web browser, Android, or iOS, ACTI has you covered. You get full access to live view, PTZ control, video search, export, and push notifications. Even without a mouse or keyboard, use an HDMI video decoder to operate the system with ease. Perfect for front desk staff or guards on patrol. Monitor up to 225 channels simultaneously with flexible grid sizes. Integrated Google Maps with GPS-tagged cameras, fisheye dewarping, and embedded web pages give operators full situational awareness. Ideal for managing large campuses, factories, or high-rise buildings from a central control room. ACTI provides instant multi-channel and synchronized playback with the most flexible speed range, from 164x to 256x. This means faster incident reviews, clearer timelines, and better decisions, whether you're in an educational facility or an industrial site. Export in AVI, MKV, MOV, or MP4, or choose original files for forensically verifiable playback. Hardware acceleration ensures you can export high-quality evidence in seconds. This is crucial for school audits, legal investigations in buildings, and safety reports in manufacturing plants. Why choose ACTI over Milestone? Simple. ACTI gives you the same high-end functionality at just half the price, and with no annual maintenance fees. System integrators love it because it reduces both upfront and long-term costs while offering full flexibility and cross-platform support. Whether you're a factory security head, an education IT admin, or a building manager, this is a smarter, leaner, and future-proof choice. So what are you waiting for? Now is the time to upgrade your physical security system with the ACTI VMS client. Experience smarter operations, faster response, and greater value, all in one platform. Contact us today and make surveillance your competitive advantage.